Hello everyone, welcome back to Brain Tech Analytics. And in the previous class, we discussed about how to open a new workbook and how to save and the difference between save and save as. Now coming to today's section, let's open MS Excel. And here I created a table related to students data. As you can see this, the some of the name of the students' names are available and their subjects, the mark obtained in their subject and the total marks, percentage and grade is available. What I want to do, suppose I want to select a particular column from this table. Then the shortcut and to make that work quicker by applying in my keyboard, what I go for, simply press Ctrl Shift down arrow. You see that column A is selected. Similarly, if you go for to select one particular row, then you simply suppose I want to select a particular row number 3, then I simply click in my keyboard Control plus Shift right arrow. You can see my row number the row 3 number row is selected. Similarly, suppose how to select all the data in a table. To select all the data in the table. The shortcut is to select all the data in the table is Control plus A. Just click and press in my keyboard Control plus A. You can see the data is selected. Similarly, we discuss about cut. The shortcut for the cut is Control X. Control plus X. Then for copy, shortcut is Control plus C. Control plus C. Then coming to the next part for paste. The shortcut for paste is Control plus V. Okay. Now we do one by one. As we will already do Control A to select all the data by just clicking Control A. As you can see, the whole table is selected. Now what we perform? Cut. Suppose I want to do cut the data, cut the table and paste in the same workbook. Then what I do? Simply click in this one, then in my keyboard I press Ctrl A. It means the whole table is selected. Then I go for Ctrl X as we are perform cut. So we go for Ctrl X and here I click, then I go for paste. What is the shortcut for the paste is Control B, then so that I click Control B. You see previously the table is deleted and paste up to the new location where we are put the table. Now discuss about copy. As you can see, we do undo so that we just go to one step backward and now we're going to go for perform copy. Suppose here I want a separate copy of this table without deleting the previous table so that we get another copy by without deleting the existing table. So what we do, simply Control A, it means the table is selected. Then we go for copy, it means the shortcut for the copy is Control C. Now we want to paste here. Control V. You can see the same data is pasted. Similarly, we want to paste here also, then we go for Control V. You can see another table is created. Simultaneously, the number of times you are clicking Control V, the number of tables are created. One copy is created. Suppose I want to copy this table in a different sheet. Then what I do, just click the sheet 1. You can see sheet number 2 is created, and I want to copy this table to sheet 2. Then what I do, by simply clicking here, Control A, select all the table, then go for Control C. It means I do perform copy, then go to sheet 2, click in this cell, and I put, and in my keyboard I select Control V. You can see the table is created over in the sheet 2, which is previously present in sheet 1. As you can see, the table is present in sheet 1 and sheet 2. Now the next part we discuss. Before we go for discuss, let's make these tables do to make something attractive. So what I do, make it some colorful to this table. So I go for this color. Which color it will be suitable? Okay, green. Then to name also I do green, and rest part I put the color. Which one? Which one? Okay, let's yellow. Yeah, yellow color. Okay. Here you can find one option is present is format painter. By just clicking here, Control A. Here you can see here the table is in colorful, but this two table is in black and white format. As you can see, there is no color is applied, and I want to apply same color to this two table. Instead of doing randomly by just clicking, then go to colors, then apply. Instead of that, what I do, the same theme whatever they applied in the first table, we can simply go to apply in the second and third by just clicking Format Painter. How to do it? Just simply Control A, go for Format Painter, click. Here you can see the theme is copied from this table, and by just clicking here, just click. As you can see, the color is applied. Similarly, if you go Control A, Format Painter, you can see just by clicking, again the theme is copied to this third number table. Now, most important thing we are going to discuss is paste special. What its name is paste special. Okay. The shortcut for this paste special is, one second, here I special. Okay. The shortcut for this paste special is Control plus Alt plus V. Okay. Till now we are discussed cut, copy, paste, and now we are going to discuss paste special. Okay. Before go for paste special, just select the table. Suppose I am going to select this table by just clicking Ctrl A, then Ctrl C. It means the table is copied. And now instead of doing paste, I go for paste special. So for this paste special, what is the shortcut is Control in my keyboard. What we do, Control, then plus Alt, then V. You see, one table is created. One here you can see a box is created and back box is coming, and here you can see the some extra advanced level paste option is showing like all formulas, values, formats, comments, validation. Okay, we have discussed some of the advanced paste option over here. Okay, just to cancel, and what we do, I want to perform the paste advanced paste special option over here. So what I do, Control C, The table is copied. Here what I do, instead of do go for paste by simply Control V, here I go Control plus Alt plus V. From this table, what I want, for suppose I don't want the complete same to same table. From this table, I only want the values. I don't want any colors what will be showing in this first table. So what I do, after pressing Ctrl Alt V, from this box I go for only values. Then here I press OK. You can see the color is not coming, but the only value will be values are coming. Okay. So now we are perform. Suppose we are select Control C and go for here, and then we go Control Alt plus V. Again the box will coming, and here what I do, we are only require formats, because the data is not coming. I only want the formats. I simply click formats, then OK. You can see only colors are coming, but the data in present in the first tables are not showing, because I choose only format. I want only format, so that the only formats are coming. Okay. Now I am going to discuss. Suppose I want to do a comment instead in the name cell. Suppose I go for that, what I insert one comment here. Okay. Here one comment is inserted, and simply what I do, Control A, Control C means the complete table is selected. Here I go for paste special means Control Alt V. I want only comments. Okay, because in the first table the comment is only present in cell number A. Okay, which is a A1 box. Okay, I simply go for what comments. Okay, then click OK. You see only this comment section is coming. Similarly, I do one thing which is quite advanced level. Don't require to focus on for edge of now, but just to show how it will work and how the paste specialist work, I want to perform here. I applied some validation. Suppose what I want to do, from the first table, I want a validation, do a data validation. So what I go for data, then go to validation, data validation, data validation. Okay, then I go for list. From list, from this, from which what's the source, I selected the range for the source. Okay, then I press OK. Okay, this one what I do here. Don't focus now edge of now, because this one will be going to discuss in the upcoming classes, to show how the paste specialist work. For that I am creating here. Here you see a list is created over the Hindi, in the Hindi column. By applying paste special, before applying paste special, I go for copy the table, so that I go for Control C. Here I do Control Alt V. Again, a box is pop up, and here you find one thing is called validation. The data validation what I applied in the column D, I only want that part, so that I go for validation and simply click. It's not coming. Why? Okay, validation and what? H. Yes, H, you can see it coming. Here that list is showing. Only validation part is coming. Now going to the next part by just clicking, what we do here. Okay, just go to undo. Okay, the list is going. Okay, okay, okay. Now what do we do? Control again, copy, and perform paste special. For perform paste special, what we do? Control plus Alt plus V. This is the only paste option where you can go for it. And now in the second part, it will show operation. What's the operation we can do by using this from this one table? Suppose I want to, here you can find the marks of present over here, and one manager wants me to add each 5 marks in the SST subject for the all students. So what I do, for all the students for particular subject SST, I want to add extra 5 marks so that for the student of the Kajal, the mark will be 39, and simultaneously all the students' marks are plus 8 plus 5. Okay, all the marks are coming by plus 5. So what I do, simply suppose in a randomly I write anywhere in any cell how much mark we want to add, 5. Okay, and make it a color. Which color we are apply? Suppose okay. Hmm. Now what we do, we are perform some operation by using pairs special. By using H of now, I don't go for any functions and formulas to calculate how to add or subtract. So H of now we can do by using paste special. So by using paste special, how can you get the new data so that you can find the whatever you can find the new marks over here for the SST subject. Simply click Control A, then Control C. Then again here Control Alt V. Okay, we want to add this 5 to this SST column. Okay, for that, just a second. Okay, what you do is simply click and Control C. You can copy this box. Then uh, next go for this SST column. Then go to Control Alt V. You can see the box is again pop up here, and then we simply add. Go for add and click OK. You see each mark is increased by 5 as per our requirements for the SST. Okay. Similarly, we are perform another task. We want to create or multiplication of mark Hindi for the subject Hindi. Simply here we create 2 and make it one color. Okay. For Hindi, we are simply for Hindi we want our marks double for every student. So what we do, just Control C. Then here you go select Control Alt V for the paste special option. Here you select multiply. By simply click OK, here you can find for the each marks for all student for the subject Hindi will be going to double. You can see 46, 108. Okay. Next, coming to the discuss about next section, next part is going for transports. Suppose here I want to change suppose I want to make it opposite. The column part I want to in row, and the row part which were those who are present in the row I want in column section. So what I do, I just want to make it reverse or make it opposite. The column section are coming to row section and rows are coming to column. So for that, what I do, I just simply Control C. Here I go. Control Alt V. Then you can find one option is called transpose. By just simply clicking on OK, you can see the things which are present over in the column section. Like the name is present in column like Kajal, Roji, it will now pop up or coming to the in the raw format. And the things which are present in the present as a raw like SHT signs, these are present in a raw type, it will be pop up or coming as a result in the column section. Okay. Either you can perform this thing by just applying a shortcut, and the shortcut for the transpose. Okay, transpose the data in the table. The shortcut for transpose the data is alt plus h plus v plus t, h plus v plus t. Okay, just 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 by one by one, but just by go for just by just going by just using shortcut, you can by just using shortcut you can also transpose the data of the table. Okay, simply by just showing an example, we have selected the table, control C. Instead of go for paste special, what we do, simply press control, sorry, alt, then after that h plus v plus t. You can see the same table showing here. Okay, thank you for watching this video. The rest of the part we are discuss in our coming section.